the firstborn son of Firstborn Son Home Services, coming to you from rainy Langley, British Columbia. One question that I tend to field pretty regularly now is, how will my camera look there, or up there? Well, Firstborn Son Home Services has a solution for that. I call it the mobile camera evaluation. Not that one. This one. How does that camera look up here? I don't know. Let's see. How does that look? Let's see. How does the camera look up there? I don't know. How does that camera look up here? I don't know. Let's see.